What's up, everybody? This is Richie from Bolt Super Shoe Cleaner, and today we're going to be cleaning a pair of off-white Blazers. As you can see, they're really beat up. I wore them to a concert in Florida, in Miami, called Rolling Loud, and they've been sitting with the dirt like this for a couple weeks now. So today we're going to be using the Bolt Super Shoe Cleaner, and we're going to get these shoes back to new. So to start off with cleaning the shoes, you're going to put some water in the bowl, just like this. Okay, as much as you think you need. Take the top off. There's a little piece in there. Pour some cleaner in there. Now you got a brush in there. This is a synthetic hog hair brush that we made. It's really soft, so it'll be perfect for this material. As you can see in the back of the Blazers, there's like, it looks almost like cotton, so you know it's coming off, so you need something soft for the back of here. So start off with that. And you can see already the cleaner is working real good, taking the dirt right off. I'm gonna stop here just so you guys can see. Oh, it's stuck on there. Okay. So, as you guys can see, the cleaner is really powerful. That's just a quick view for you guys to see the difference with just me cleaning it for a couple seconds. You can see the back too also, right on there. And you can see the difference in the color. Okay, so we're going to go through and clean the rest of the shoe real quick. The laces we're going to take off, but for right now we can just go over it because we're going to clean all this. Alright, now for the laces, you could just drop them into the bowl, just like that. Shake it around a little bit, just get it mixed in. As you can see, the color's already back on the laces. Gonna just rub it, just like this. And this is how I clean all my shoes, so you guys should do the same way. Just like that. We got some water here, we can throw them in there just to get the cleaner off. And then just string them out. Alright, and these laces are back to new. You can see the tongue, the dirt coming right off. You know, we're going to keep cleaning these shoes until it all comes out. It looks a little bit darker in there, so we might change the water and put a fresh batch in there, but it seems like everything's really coming out. Alright, so now we're going to do the bottoms. We got some gum on there and a lot of dirt, so we got this metal pick. This is a regular little metal pick that you can get anywhere, you know, arts and crafts store, something like that. So we're just going to put some cleaner on the bottom of here, just like that. Get it all mixing in there. And then we're just going to take that little pick and I'm going to go through here and get all the dirt. You don't have to do this, but this is just an easier way to make sure that you're getting everything out, so you don't have to go back through it. Just go through the lines. See, there's gum in here, so and that's coming right out. So the magic eraser is going to be used for the parts like this in the front of the shoe. As you can see, there's little marks in there. I clean the shoes good, but for those little extras, I'm going to use this eraser, and it's going to take it right off with no problem. So like I said, when you guys are cleaning the shoes, don't think if there's a little extra marks that it won't come off. We're giving you these extra little cleaning tools, you know, just so that the job will be done right. And as you can see, those marks in the front are gone